ain't drunk, I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come on now,
time.
you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, I am back. Happy Monday afternoon, if that's possible. So, one of the things, I'm calling this a tech tip. It's really not. It's more of a process. When I first got my Tarranis from my brother, I actually bought this off of my brother in the Patriot Blades Club, Warlock. Love you, bro. I bought this off of him. He had one or two of them for some reason. He sold me this one. I love it. Got my patented far view stickers on the bottom. I already broke the back off. No big deal. And one of the things that I did, maybe, I think it's a bitch to get off. There we go. Is I bought one of these cool little, what the fuck is it? Nickel metal hydride batteries for it. The annoying part about that though is you've got to build a plug adapter to fit your LiPo charger and all that stuff. So I actually stole this video idea from a buddy of mine. I'm going to put a link to his channel right there. Sorry brother, I stole it from you. I even complimented you on it, but I'm doing it for my people too. So there's this joint, California, I'm not sure, Aloft Hobbies. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this. It's basically a charger. I got this literally. It comes with the wall wart. That's what we call them, wall wart charger. And it comes with the harness for like, I think you have to buy them separate, but they're 10 bucks total. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get this. I'm going to show you how to do this mod. It's stupid easy, okay? So, and all I got to do is plug it into the wall then. They give you this harness, which is very straightforward. This nut is normally on the jack. In my buddy's video, he says you should depin this to pull it out. I just bent the terminals over and pulled it through, and it did okay. But you can depin this if you want. It's kind of a pain in the ass to do, though. It's easy enough to slip it out. Then all we do is we take this thing apart, and let's see. I suppose y'all don't need to watch this boring shit. You take out this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw, which are already missing in mine. That sounds about right. All right, so bam, be right back. All right, here we go. So then we pop the back off, plain and simple, very, very easy to do. Now, my buddy that did this originally on his channel did a much better job than I'm going to do because I'm basic. I'm just going to do it basic. So what you want to do, he used a stepper bit to go through here on the edge. I want mine to be on this side, so I'm gonna have to lose my far view sticker. Or maybe I can just put it right there, make it cool. Looks like we're gonna stick out about yay far. Yeah, I think that'll work. So what we're gonna do is I am going to, hang on a tick. You know, I got 8,000 Sharpie markers. All right. So that side, bam, right here. I am actually just going to use, I'm going to half-ass it and put a Dremel. Yeah, need a black one. That's all right. So we're going to use a Dremel tool with a grinder bit. And then you guys can do anything you want. He used a stepper bit, which is the right way to do it. I'm too lazy for that. I'm just going to use this guy, okay? So I'm going to burn a hole in this thing real quick, and then we'll be right back. Bam, and we're back. Okay, so I just burnt a hole, cut a hole with my Dremel tool, and just slid this thing through. Nothing but a peanut there. Pretty basic shit, guys. This is not hard to do. Then we're going to take our nut, okay? I'm going to slide it through here. See, you don't need to depin it. Not hard. Okay. Not hard at all. Spin this on. Yeah. My hole, as Bardwell has said many times before, is not perfect. But that's okay. I got some schmutz in there. There we go. Okay. But this is a great solution because taking that fucking board in and out is a pain in the ass. So for like $10, really? I mean, I'll put a link to where you can get this battery too. I'm pretty sure you can get the battery from loft hobbies as well. Smarter people might buy the LiPo. I hear the LiPo is a lot better. I didn't mess with that. I got enough frickin' LiPos to play with. Bam! Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Hopefully it fits. Then all you're going to do is you're going to take the male side here and you're going to plug it into where the battery goes. Bam. Okay. So, and then after that, it's very, 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 very simple. Okay. So the male side's going to go in here. And the female side's going to go through here. Very simple to do. Line her back up. Make sure you don't screw nothing up. Mind these pins. Got to get those pins in there. Okay. Look, perfect, like it was meant to be. Bam, look at that. So, and I need to put, I've got an extra one of these transmitters. I have 3 actually. One of them's not mine. One of them's my brother Lincoln David's, which I'm sending out to him. And then the other one's a dud that I use for simulators if I ever get on it. So I'll take a couple screws out. I don't know why the fuck I'm missing screws. Sorry, smoking hot wife interruption. So there we go. So then you take your little battery and you plug your battery into here. Bam, look at that, not but a peanut. It should just fit. Look at that. And aside from like 30 extra seconds when I burnt the hole in the side of the case, that's that. Does it work? It works.
Welcome to OpenTX Acro Mode. Flap
Sweet.
down. Disarm motors. All fucked up.
Perfect. All right, kids, that's really it. Then you take your charger, you plug the damn thing in, bam, and that's it. So I hope this helps you guys out that have the have this radio. It's better than yanking the battery in and out all the time, and it looks like it's meant to be. I mean, that's pretty slick. I love it. All right, so anyway, bam, $10. There you go. So keep shining side up, kids. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing.